Can you really earn $800 immediately by testing games and apps on Testerup as it claims on its website, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many people have asked me for an updated Testerup review, so therefore I decided to record this video. And let me just reveal right away that you potentially can earn money from this site, but there are also some important details they do not tell you, and you need to consider this also. So I'll go over all that in this video so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over who can join, and Testerup is not very clear about this because it doesn't say on the website who can join or not, but what I've been able to find out by talking to people all over the world and also testing myself is that it's definitely not available in all countries. It is available in quite a few, but exactly which countries it's available in or not, they don't really say that, so I can't guarantee that for sure. But if you decide you want to try it after watching this video, the only way to really know is to try and go sign up and see for yourself. It both has a website and it has an app, so if you can find it in the Play Store, then it is available in your country. But as mentioned, you can also use it on the website, but the most opportunities and many of the games you need to get access to potentially earn, it will be through your phone. So that's just one thing to be aware of. And as you can see on the website, it says that you earn real money testing online. So it's focusing very much on this testing, the name itself, Testerup also. And this is something very important to remember because I will address this later. It even says that you can earn up to $120 per test offer, and that each member receives over 50 offers to test worth over $800 immediately after completing the free registration. So this is a big claim for a free testing platform, and I've tested hundreds of these, so I know this is a big claim. So of course we need to put that to the test. So let me now log in. There it does say that you can earn from both phone, computer or tablet. Personally, my experience says that the most opportunities is on a phone, but for this purpose here I will just log in on the computer and then we'll take a closer look at what you get access to. So I have now logged in, and then you can scroll through and you can see all the offers. And for me, for example, here now, I just created a new account to show from scratch and see what they claimed. And they say here 106 offers, more than $10,000 potentially I could earn. And then you have to go through, and it looks very appealing. 246, 160, 177 and a half. All these ones here looks very appealing. Then you have some smaller ones also that doesn't pay that much. A little survey once in a while. Right now you can see one here, 50 cents or so. So not so much there, but a few surveys here and there you can see also. And those ones you can definitely do on a computer. Some of them are quite easy, others take longer. But what you really need to be aware of is here that it says that you are then participating in tests. You see it says a game test, but this is what I really don't like, is that then when you click them, and it doesn't actually show the details here on a computer, but when you click to then read the details about each game, then it shows these different levels you need to reach. And if you've ever taken paid offers before, then you know that game offers is like where the platform that offers these, they get paid to get people to play these different games, and they share some of that revenue with you. So they say, like, when you reach this level, if you spend this amount of money, then you will get this and this and this reward. So they're basically sharing that with you. That's just what's called a paid offer, and this is the exact same thing. They have some crazy requirement for you, for example, to reach these $246. It sounds nice, but you would have to spend a lot of money and a ton of time to reach this. So this will not just be pure profit. That's very important to be aware of. And what I really do not like is that they call it a game test. And as mentioned, I have tested hundreds of ways to make money online. I've participated in a lot of different user tests and tests in general online, different research projects, all kind of methods to earn like that. And in my opinion, a test or a game test or a user test is where you get paid for the test itself and for giving feedback. And this is not what you get paid for here. This is a regular paid offer where they get paid to get users to play new games, and then they share some of that with you. And there's nothing wrong about that, but when a platform is not transparent, then I just refuse to support it, because you are not doing game tests. You are taking a paid offers where you spend time and potentially money. If you want to reach these high levels here, you definitely have to spend money. And you're not giving feedback. It has nothing to do with a test or anything like that. And they could just be transparent about that. Then it would be another thing. But trying to make it look like you're participating in game tests and in reality you're just taking paid offers, I just really do not like that lack of transparency. So that's definitely something to be aware of. But there is one more important thing we also need to talk about, and that is how you can get paid. So when you go to the payout section, you can see that you need to earn $70 to get paid. And again, this is an extremely high payout threshold for a get paid to site. There are many sites that offer the exact same games as Testerup does, but in many cases with fewer requirements, where you can get paid when you've earned, $1, $5, $10, maximum $20, $25, but $70, this is the highest payout threshold that I have seen on a get paid to site. And that just, for me, that is also a deal breaker, because why would you have to wait that long? Yes, I know that when you look at the games, I can earn $150 or $200 per game. No, that's not really how it works. You will have to spend hours and hours and a lot of money to reach that. So reaching $70 is not easy, even though it might look like it when you first join. So why not just take these gaming offers, because it's not a game test, it's a game offer. Take them on platforms where you can take out your earnings when you've already earned $5 or $10. There are a ton of those available. So to sum it all up, Testerup can be a way to earn some extra money, but I really do not like the lack of transparency. You are not testing anything. You are taking paid offers. Nothing wrong with that. I think paid offers and game offers can be great, and they can be a great way to earn some extra money if you like playing games, but they should just be transparent about that. This has nothing to do with game tests. And the payout threshold also is a deal breaker for me. It is the highest I have seen on a get paid to site, so I don't see any need to take these gaming offers. Why don't do the exact same offers on platforms where you can cash out a lot faster? But anyways, this is just my opinion. If you have another opinion, feel free to share in a comment below. But if what you're looking for is real game testing jobs where you can actually potentially earn really good money by getting a job as a game tester, then I do have some more information about options like that on my website. I'll leave a link to that below. I also have a free email course where I go over all the best ways to earn online for free, how to get started, how to get the most out of it. I'll leave a link to that below so you can also go and check that out. And finally, if you just prefer reading, I also do have a written Testerup review, so I'll also leave a link to that below. So make sure to check all that out below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.